many previous gynecomastia surgeries with many of my professors, but the word scarless was so new to me, so I understood the incision where to place to find it as Scarless Gynecomastia, and so that this type of Scarless Gynecomastia can help me in the future, and so that there won't be any post-op complications in the later stages. More oftenly, this gynecomastia is not only the fat we are reducing, but contouring the chest. This is the mostly I understood by this workshop. Definitely, this is my new technique I have learned from Anmol Chugh sir, so I am very thankful and grateful for his surgical insight that has given to me through this workshop. I will spread my word to my young other plastic surgeons this workshop, so that the complications that they are affecting by doing the regular plastic surgery for gynecomastia can be rectified by this technique. Definitely I would recommend, because Anmol Chugh sir was very grateful to expertise his skills and his precision to young surgeons like me. So why not to spread my word to young other plastic surgeons? Definitely I will send my regards to other young surgeons to attend this conference and helpful in their practice.